Hi guys, this is just how to show you how easy it is to get our marketing materials from SalveoWorld. So if you go over inside your dashboard, you're gonna find this tab, which is SalveoWorld/marketing inside your dashboard. So what you need to do here is scroll. So I'm right now on the photos. So scroll down and whatever marketing material that you need, let's say you want this one, okay, just click this one. Okay, click this. It will open to a bigger screen below. So even if you're with your cell phone, this is possible. Okay, and then hold this down a little bit or download. The download actually is not working for your cell phone, and right now I'm using my iPad, but when you are on your laptop, this is automatically downloaded to your files on your computer. So for now I'm with my iPad, so I'm just gonna hold like this, and then a pop-up will show below which says add to photos. Okay, so what happened is it's gonna be added to your gallery and it's already there. So the other one, if you download like this, it's gonna pop up to another tab which is of a bigger, you can view or you can download. So let's say I'm gonna do the download. There you go. If you see, just view, hold this longer, and then this pops up, add to photos, and then click that add to photos, and it's gonna show up on your, so it's already here. See, as you see that, it's added to your gallery automatically. So I hope that helps you and start marketing. And you know, you have to do this daily, especially when you're a beginner. You should post every day if you don't have the Facebook page. Mostly leaders are doing their Facebook page and doing the sponsored ads, the paid ads. That's how they're getting a lot of money. But for those people who chose to just, you know, be slow in their marketing, peer to peers, you know, I mean, friends to friend, relatives like that, that's still okay if you want to do that. So I hope this helps. Again, this is Engineer Leth, and thank you so much, and God bless.